Hello everyone and welcome to our page Arabic Language Learning. Today we have a lesson 3 part number 1 on words of animals and birds. We have these words in English and we translate it to Arabic language and we show you the pronunciation by Arabic phonetic. Okay. The first word we have dog. Dog by phonetic in Arabic كلب. كلب in Arabic كلب. كلب. The second word in English mouse. Mouse by phonetic in Arabic far. Far and in Arabic فأر. 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 Okay. The third word leopard. Leopard by phonetic and in Arabic in English leopard. Phonetic pronunciation fahd. Fahd in Arabic fahd. Fahd. Okay. Fourth word we have tiger. Tiger by phonetic namer. Namer in Arabic namer. Namer. Tiger in English by pronunciation in Arabic namer. In Arabic namer. Namer. Okay. And the word fifth okay. In English lion. Lion. Pronunciation in Arabic by this letter Asad. Asad. In Arabic language Asad. Asad. Okay. Any question in this lesson and this part number 1 of this word? Thank you for asking and we answer for any question. Have a great day and good luck. Goodbye.